Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Since yesterday's video, when Bitcoin was trading around 114,300, the decline has continued, dropping below 113,000 to reach 12-day lows near 112,000. With the Fear and Greed Index now at 40, we sit right on the edge of fear as the third quarter of 2025 comes to a close. It can be difficult for many to process. Someone reacting emotionally might say, pack it up, sell everything. The cycle is over. But the data tells a different story. We still have Q4 waiting and didn't see the euphoria stage yet. In the last 24 hours, about $1.45 billion has been wiped out across the market, of which roughly $1.29 billion were long positions. On the total liquidation chart, this stands out as an unusual spike compared with the past 6 months. Back on the 22nd of September, more than $1.6 billion in longs were erased. Could this simply be a shakeout before the next advance above 150,000? That remains the key question. Looking at the heat maps, the weekly view shows the nearest hot pocket from the recent drop around 111,300, still untouched. Most of the notable liquidity sits above the current level at 116,200, 118,300, and 119,600, which could serve as stepping stones to higher price ranges. My 4-hour long wave model, one of the more reliable timeframes in backtests since 18, flashed a new signal at 112,500 only a few hours ago. Based on that, I have added exposure, while my previous entries from mid-August remain active. On the adoption front, several developments stand out. Japan's Metaplanet acquired an additional $632 million worth of Bitcoin, lifting its holdings to about 25,555 coins and placing the firm among the top 5 public company treasuries. The company also established a United States subsidiary for expanded cash flow management. Meanwhile, Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy added 850 coins at roughly 117,000 each, bringing total holdings to more than 639,000. Saylor told CNBC that Bitcoin could grow by 30% annually over the next 2 decades, calling current adoption only the beginning. Another significant move came with Strive, backed by Vivek Ramaswamy, acquiring Semler Scientific in an all-stock deal. The merged entity now holds about 10,900 coins in treasury reserves, marking the first major merger of this kind and valuing the combined company in the billions. In United States policy, lawmakers have asked the SEC to apply President Trump's executive order that would open the $12.5 trillion retirement market to digital assets. Bitcoin advocate Dennis Porter has teased a major announcement today, hinting at new legislative wins, while central banks such as Deutsche Bank suggest including Bitcoin alongside gold reserves. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter. If you found value in this video, click the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.